Welcome back to our channel Trailhead Ranger NJ, and we are doing this series of preparation for Sales Cloud Consultant certification. And in our last video we did this project, that is protect your data in Salesforce, and you saw that for our last unit there is one challenge that we did it but it was not getting reflected in the org, so that's why it's 80%, but we had completed it. And I might have made some mistake. I was not able to find it, but yes, if you are able to find it, do let me know in the comment section, and also you can fix that for yourself. So we'll move on to this module, that is accounts and contacts. Let's get started with this. Our first unit is store information about your customers. So in this unit we have challenge, as well as we need to follow up the unit as well. So let's follow the unit. We need to create an account first. Okay, so I'll launch the Trailhead playground, and then let's see what they are asking us to do. They are talking about account and contact, so you know that the both are the standard objects, and they are related to many other standard objects as well, like opportunities, somewhere in leads, and cases as well. So here if we see that we need to create an account, we'll be making an account. Select sales. Okay, app, we are going to sales. We need to create this get cloudy account, so I'll go here. I'll directly go to accounts, then click on new, give its name as get cloudy. I'll just copy paste it, then phone number as this, then we have account number as 117. Then we have account site as single location, and type is customer direct. Okay, then industry is consulting and billing city is Renault. Industry is consulting. We have construction communications but not consulting, so let's try select others first. Then we have billing city as Renault, billing state as NV. What we can do, we can create a add a pick list value to the industry as consulting, and then edit the value over here. We'll do that if error occurs. So let's save this account. Then we need to create a contact as Alan Johnson, sales manager. So in related list here we will be adding a new contact, Mr. that is Alan Johnson, and title should be sales manager, and phone number is this. Okay, then we have email as this. Let's save and new. Another contact is Leong Chan. Marketing manager, and this email ID. Let's save it. Then we need to check the chance contact record and locate the activity timeline, and click log a call. Log the details of your call and click save. Okay, so we'll open this contact, and here is activity. So this is log a call related to, let's put get cloudy account. Let's save. Call logged is saved. Now we are going to the hands-on challenge where we need to create a contact again, that is Maria Clifton. Title would be regional sales manager, so we'll create it there only, contact here, and Miss Maria Clifton, Clifton, and title is regional sales manager. Let's save it and let's check our challenge. So it's completed. Let's move on to the next unit, that is understand account and contact relationships. So three key account and contact relationship we have. So the relationship between companies are referred to as accounts in org, and contacts the person who are working with that account or with that company. Then by relating a contact to more than one account, uh, that is calling contacts to multiple account, you can track relationship between people and the companies they work with. And then relationship between customers are also an account, and co-workers who deal with them, that is other Salesforce user. Okay, so there's some other details about it. Let's move on to the quiz. First question is, what two types of account contact relationships can you see in contacts to multiple account? First option is positive and negative, parent and sibling, happy and unhappy, direct and indirect, and complete and incomplete. So it is direct and indirect. If you see, we have that customer direct and customer indirect option as well in accounts, so that type is there. Second question is, how do you set up the account hierarchy? First is, ask an administrator to set it up for you. Second is, add a parent account to the accounts record. Third is, record the parent account's name in a note on the account. Fourth is, write it on a sticky note and put it on your desk. So B option is correct. If you see that here we have parent account, so if we add an account here, so it will be a hierarchy for that account. Third question is, who should be your personal default account team? First is co-workers from your department who want to know how you achieve all your success. No. Second is, all the contacts for all your accounts. No. Third is, co-workers you usually work with on your accounts. So yes. And fourth is, customers who responded positively to the last marketing campaign. So third option is the correct one. Let's check, and it's correct. So we have completed this module, that is accounts and contacts. And then we have a link for this documentation, that is considerations for removing products and price book. So products and price books are two objects, standard objects, which are present in Salesforce org, and there is a lookup relationship between them. So you can go through this documentation and understand how we can remove the consideration. Okay, let's refresh it. Then we have about advanced currency management. It's also talking about that how we can have currency conversion in bit among two currency. Then we have considerations for enabling multiple currencies, that is in our org we can enable multiple currencies, and then we can have the currency conversion from one to another, and help it to calculate price in two currencies. Then we have campaign influence, you can go through this documentation. Then setting up sales cloud Einstein, please go through it and set up your org as well, it's important. Then things to know about code templates, forecast types in collaborative forecast. So we have completed this section. Now we have consulting practices, which consists of 14% of weightage in our exam. And we have first module for this section, that is project management essential. So we'll be doing this module in our next video. So please stay tuned and like the video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any questions or any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. And yes, we'll be doing this module in our next video. So thank you, stay tuned.